Escape the ordinary and come home to the summit at Lime Ridge. Our beautifully landscaped property features covered parking for your convenience and a vibrant blue pool surrounded by a sprawling sun deck. You can work up a sweat in our well-equipped fitness center, and our service is second to none. Whether you need a one-bedroom apartment or a two-bedroom townhome, our spacious floor plans will exceed every expectation. The interiors feature large closets, gorgeous bathrooms with a vanity for storage, and oversized living spaces ideal for entertaining. With an elegant dining area, a well-designed kitchen, and designer details including breezy ceiling fans, built-in shelving, and modern floors, you really can have it all. Our Concord location offers easy access to public transportation, with shops and restaurants only minutes away. For comfort and convenience at an affordable price, come home to the summit at Lime Ridge.